Okay, so this is the first time in history, well, as far as I know, that we've had a flood, sort of a flood. But yeah, we've got like, I'm not even gonna walk out there, we've got like a lot of water. I'm just standing in my yard, and that's like, and so out there I'm sure, yeah, it gets even deeper. But anyway, our road's blocked off, and like, there's subdivisions that are being evacuated, and not in Rosedale, obviously we don't have well, we have like a subdivision, but anyway. And then there's like I think, I-70, like, collapsed part of it. So yeah, kind of scary. Anyway, oh my gosh, I'm like getting soaked. I wanted to go wander around. Oh my gosh, I'm totally wet now. I don't like this because still in my yard. Ew! I'm not the person to be doing this. I'm not going that way. Apparently there was a house in Rosedale, like the foundation collapse and stuff. We're going this way because there's like, oh my god, there's water in here. It's everywhere. Alright. So we're treading the waters to see what collapsed. I hope it's not that guy's house, that new house. That'd be like way sucky. Alright. There's some flooding, like over there and here. And the neighbors are out cutting the grass. They're gonna see me. I look horrible. That's why I'm not on tape. Shut up. I think it might be their house. I can't tell. No, maybe they just have trashy stuff. There's their yard. Maybe it is. Oh, they've got a sump pump, so like they're draining. Wow. Well, I don't know whose house collapsed, but anyway. Alright, I'm done. Signing off.